सिद्धिर सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः. In previous class, we had seen the few sentences of 18th class, right? So the lang lakara of parasmay pada as well as lang lakara of atmanepadas we are going through. Let me share the screen. Where we had stopped, here we were, right? So the past tense goes like अलभत अलभेताम अलभंत अलभथाः अलभेथाम अलभध्वम अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि. This is the atmanepad lang lakaranta forms. New dhatus we have seen as dhvamsate means to perish. The parasmepadi dhatu we had seen as nashyati. नश्यति ध्वंसते. अवमन्यते, हाँ, अवमन्यते टू डिसरिगार्ड. निमंत्रयति और निमंत्रयते टू इनवाइट. देन विमृश्यते, विमृशति means to examine, to taste. Ramate to feel happy. Lajjate to feel shame or to shy also. Spardhate to rival. स्पर्धा करना टू कॉम्पिटेंट, competition. Sramsate to drop down, like gandivam sramsate hastat. That sramsate to fall down, to drop, to sleepy. So vihasyati means to laugh. These words, those kriya padas, and these words also we had seen. Again we will go through the words. Anishtam, evil, calamity. Avadhirana, repulse or the repulsion. Asurah, demons or the enemies of gods. Aropanam, planting or sowing. Upadeshah, advice, address, counsel. Kabari, a braid of hair. Karyam, action or work. Gandharvah means an individual of a class of celestial beings. Grahanam means captured. Chorah is masculine word, thief. Jalam, net. Jyotsna, moonlight. Tyagah, living. Darshanam, sight. Dushkrutam is a wicked person. Nayakah, a leader. Param is a indeclinable word. Param means parantu, kintu. So, however, but that way it goes. Pantha is a pullinga noun, so traveler. Prachi, the east. Prashnikah. Prashnikah means one who asks questions or the examiner. Balam, strength. Bijam, seed. Bhupah, a king. Ramanam, a lover, husband. Viryam here means heroism, bravery, valor. Na? Sachivah, minister. Samuha, a multitude, a crowd. So few sentences we had seen like Pandavaha Rajyam Avindantah. Pandavas got the kingdom. Acharyan Shishyaha Abhyavadayanta. Shishyas, students or pupil, bowed down their teachers. Sachivaha Bhupam Abhashantah. Ministers spoke to the king. Naryaha Kabaryaha Pushpe Asram Setam. So the two flowers of Kabari fell down from the, actually two flowers fell down or the slips from the Kabari of the braid of flowers. Janena vyahasya dvam means what? You both, no, you all are laughed at by people. So by people you were laughed at. Pratyayam jananam samuham aikshamhi. Vayam, we all. Jananam samuham, the crowd of people were Rathyam on the street. So we saw the group of people on the street. Ramasya dukkhani advamsanta means what? Ramasya dukkhani, the sorrows of the calamities of Ramas are perished. Murkhanam, sorry, mitranam tyage na alajjetham. Though the friends have abandoned, but you are not ashamed of that. How many are there? Okay, too many. Two more. Vrikshebhyah shukaha uddayanta. The shukaha, parrots, flew from the trees. Mrugau ahanyatam vyadaihi. The two mriga, deers or the animals, two animals were hunted, right? Hunted, na? Hunted by hunters. Jananam sukhaya ayatamahi vayam. Jananam sukhaya ayatamahi. We tried or we put an efforts for the welfare of, for the happiness of people. And last sentence is Devaihi saha asuraha aspardhanta. What is the meaning of this? Devaihi saha asuraha aspardhanta.
The asuras were defeated by the gods.
Competition. What is the word in this book?
They were competed.
Competed, or the word was a little weird. Spardhata, rival. Rival means same, na? Competition, na?
Yeah, enemy.
Rival. So how it goes? Asuraha devaihi saha aspardhanta. Asuraha demons. Rivaled ऐसा बनेगा ना? Rivaled with देवाः, gods. Next. रमणैः सह ज्योत्स्नायाम् अरमन्त नार्यः. For Anvay how to do, then meaning you can. What is the subject? Naryah.
Ramanaihi saha
Jyotsnayam aramanta.
Aramanta.
Jyotsnayam means what? Jyotsnayam.
Moonlight.
Moonlight, yes. Happy, to feel happy. Another, actually, Ramati we had seen to play, to enjoy. And here, to feel happy. So, Naryah felt happy in the moonlight with their husbands. Ramanihi saha. Next. उज्जयिन्याः कदा न्यवर्तध्वम् इति जनैः अपृच्छामहि. Apruchamahi. Cha is half.
So, but there's apruchayamahi. Yeah.
Apruchayamahi. It is apruchamahi.
Oh, there is no ya. There's no ya there.
Na pruchya. Cha half.
Oh.
Ya is added.
Pruchamahi.
So janaihi vayam apruchamahi. So we were asked by
When did you people?
And what they were asking about? Ujjain.
When did you
Sorry.
So when did you return from Ujjaini or Ujjaini?
Thus, we were asked by people. Yes. So Ujjaini का कुंभ मेला चल रहा है.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay, but we didn't go. Vatena vrikshaha akampanta.
So by the wind, the trees took.
अरिणां पराजयेन अमोदन्त सेनापतयः.
Harinam Parajayena. Amodanta is they rejoiced. Now, who rejoiced? Senapataya. Senapati be generals, army generals. The generals of the army rejoiced at
defeat.
Defeat. Thank you.
Defeat of the enemies.
Defeat of their enemies. Yes. Thank you.
Sometimes some words come like that to me.
Yeah.
Where?
Now, गृहं प्राविशन् चोराः परं नालभन्त धनम्. गृहं प्राविशन् चोराः परं नालभन्त धनम्.
चोराः गृहं प्राविशन्. चोराः गृहं प्राविशन् परं न अलभन्त धनम्.
परं धनं न लभन्त
धनम्. So the thieves, after entering into the house.
The past tense, it is not a Shatru Pratyay, it is a past tense.
Okay.
So, Choraha Gruham Pravishan.
Okay. So after they entered the house,
Chora.
They did not get any money.
So basically, after कब यूज करेंगे जहां आपने त्वा लेप प्रत्यय यूज किया है after entering into the house. But here we can say is the choraha gruham pravishan. The thieves entered into the house. Param, but dhanam te dhanam na alabhant. They did not get the money.
Param in this case is like kintu, right? Like that.
Param means parantu.
Because param also sometimes mean afterwards, right?
Or it is also adjective. So param dhanam means the supreme wealth they got. वैसा नहीं यहाँ इंटर किया लेकिन गरीब हमारे जैसे लोगों के घर में इंटर किया जहाँ किताबों के अलावा कुछ नहीं. कन्याः जनकम् अवन्दन्त.
Daughters avadanta. So bowed down to their father.
Saluted, bowed down. Bowed down. Bowed ऐसा बोलते हैं क्या? Bowed down. Which one is correct?
Bow.
Bow down. Okay. आचार्यादस्त्राण्यं शिक्षामहि. आचार्यात्
शिक्षामहि. अशिक्षामहि. Strani. What does strani mean? Astrani. Okay, yeah. Astrani. So we learned the Astra Vidya from Acharya.
Sandhis, etc. You are doing revision, right? Astrani ashikshamahi. Which sandhi is this?
Yana Sandhi. That one only one Sandhi I always remember.
That is simple one. A lot of time it comes in sentences. Viryena vidyayashcha balena prakashanta.
So Viryena is what by? So okay, Vidyaya cha knowledge. and knowledge. Balena, power. Prakashanta, shone. So they shone by the power of vidya. Will it be knowledge or wisdom? And virya. Virya would be what? I don't know the meaning.
Valor.
Valor. Okay. So they shone by the power of valor and knowledge.
Heroism, bravery, and valor. Virena vidyayascha balena te prakashanta. They shone by the strength of wisdom as well as bravery.
Bravery.
बीजस्यारोपणम् आरभन्त कृषिवलाः.
कृषिवलाः बीजस्य आरोपणम् आरभन्त. The farmers started sowing the seeds.
Yes. Sowing the seeds, yeah. नारायणस्य दुष्कृतानि नारोचन्त जनकाय.
जनकाय नारायणस्य दुष्कृतानि न आरोचन्त. Narayana's dushkritani would be what? Bad deeds or bad actions did not please his father.
Dushkritani, bad actions, or Narayanasya dushkritani.
Arochanta or arochanta?
Did not please his father.
So the bad conduct of Narayana did not please his father. Udyamadharer dhananyavardhanta. Sandhi which?
Udyamat dharehe dhanani avardhanta.
What is called dhare?
Dhare means the earth.
No, here there is not a dhari shabda. There is Udyamat harehe. That sandhi happens and so that here we'll read the rule. Ha preceded by any of the first four letters of the class is changed to the fourth letter of that same class. For example, Udyamat, Dakara is there. After Dakara, Hakara is coming. So the belongs to Ta group. What is the fourth letter of the Ta group? The into Dakara. So Udyamat Harehe Dhanani Avardhanta. Meaning
the Hare, the Hari's wealth grew by working hard. Udyama.
By industry, by efforts, the wealth of Hari got increased. Nanishtamashankamahi.
Na anishtam ashankamahi. Ashankamahi. We did not suspect. Anishta is it's not wrong. It is something bad. We did not suspect Anishta.
Anishta means calamity. Yes.
We did not suspect a calamity. Evil calamity. Yeah. It says Anishta is evil or calamity. So we did not suspect evil or a calamity.
ऐसा होगा ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. ऐसा होने के बाद बोलते हैं धनस्य राशयो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो अदीयन्त.
Brahman Rashayah. धनस्य राशयः ब्राह्मणेभ्यो अदीयन्त. So they I think ते धनस्य राशयोः ब्राह्मणेभ्यः अदीयन्त. So they gave heaps of wealth to the Brahmins.
तो धनस्य राशयः, 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 the heaps of wealth were given. This is again which prayoga? Karmani prayoga.
Adiyanta. Okay.
Diyate, past tense would be adiyanta. Next.
Wait, in the Karmani prayoga, it should be the Tritiya Vibhakti, right? Here there is no.
Where?
Brahmanebhyaha.
So it's fine. He is a receiver. They are the receivers. So receiver always will be there in fourth case only, whether it is Karmani prayoga or Kartari prayoga. So Rashayah is the Karma Padam. What was given? The heaps of Rashis, the heaps of wealth were given to the Brahmanas by Pandavas, by Rama, or by the king, by Nrupena. Nrupena dhanasya rashayah brahmanebhyo adiyanta. Rashayah adiyanta. The adiyanta word will go with rashayah because there are many. So adiyanta. Past tense bahuvachan. Monkeys fought with rakshasas.
Kapayah rakshasaihi
Saha
ayudhyanta.
Ayudhyanta. Kapayah rakshasaihi saha ayudhyanta. Here saha will come here. We too spoke to the learned men at Kashi.
Vayam avadat the Brahmanebhyaha at Kashyam.
We too actually.
Avam.
Kashyam.
Avada vahi.
No. Bhasha dhatu you can use if you want to use past tense.
Okay. Abhashyavahi.
Avam abhashavahi.
Abhashavahi. Learned man, can I use Brahmanebhyaha?
You can say.
Brahman.
Not Brahmanebhya. Dvitiya we can say. Dvitiya.
Brahmanan.
Brahmanan. Where Vayam not Avam Kashyam Brahmanaihi अथवा Brahmanan और Brahmanaihi सह Abhashavahi. Abhashavahi will be.
Say that one more time.
Avam Kashyam Brahmanaihi सह Abhashavahi. Yes. Next sentence. They endured the taunt with calmness. Probably they might fails.
Calmness. I'm trying to look up the word for calmness. Taunt is upalambham. Right? What is calm?
Shantaihi.
Shanti is the word. Tritiya would be
Shant is the word?
Shanti is the word. Tritiya vibhakti would be
Nadibhyaha. Shantibhyaha.
Singular. Shantya.
Shantya.
Shantya upalam asahanta.
Okay, te, correct. Next.
Right.
Stars means two stars shown in the east.
Nakshatre
East.
Paschim Purva. Purvam.
Use in the same part. Sorry.
Ashobhate. Ashobhataha. Prakashata.
Dual.
Prakashataha.
No. Dual. Two stars, right?
Prakashitam maybe.
प्राकाशिताम. तो तारके अथवा नक्षत्रे प्रचीति ऐसा वर्ड है. प्रचीति. तो प्रचीतौ प्राकाशेताम.
Where does Prachiti come from? Prachi have given for east.
So prachi shabd we can use. Pracham we can say. Here it is. See the east. Dirghaikar madhyam pracham.
But we also call it Purva and Paschima, right? Like east and west.
Purvasyam dishi we have to say. Purvasyam अथवा पूर्वस्मिन्. That way we can say. So here prachi shabda was used, so we can go with that. So you were praised by men.
You were. So 1 second, so my battery is going to go down.
Karmani prayoga.
You were praised by.
Commanded. Oh, sorry.
By men.
You were praised by men, right? So by men, Naraihi praised, prashamsa, right? Prashamsadvam.
Janaivam prashamsyadvam.
Prashamsyadvam. Prashamsyadvam.
Actually, prashamsyadvam. Prashams. Not sa. Shamsati is the word. So,
right.
Prashamsyadvam. Shadvam.
Okay.
Did you say this is Karmani Prayoga?
Karmani prayoga.
Prashamsyadvam.
So, you two were praised by men. Men praise you. That is the Kartari. Okay. You two were commanded by Rama.
Ramena. Yuyam.
You two.
Tvam yuvam. Ramena. Command is Adesha, I think.
Adishati. उसका पास्ट टेंस करना है, कर्मणि भी करना है.
आदेश्यताम.
आदिश्येताम.
Oh, it is Atmanipada.
Adishati is a parasmaipada, right? When we want to make Atmanipadi form, we just add ya. So Adishyate. Past tense would be Adishyata. And the Madhyam Purusha dual would be Adishyetham.
Adishyetham.
We invited the rishis for dinner. Aha.
So, the rishis. Rishin for dinner. So we'll say what? Bhojana?
भोजन अर्थम भोजनाय
Rishin Bhojanaya Amantramahi.
निमन
Nim-
निमन्त्र्यते राइट निमन्त्रयति निमन्त्रयामहि नियमन्त्रयामहि it would be
What is
Again,
it?
न्य न्यमन्त्रयामहि
That
Nyaman
is past tense.
past tense
Nyamantraya.
वयं न्यमन्त्रयामहि
Nyaman
कैसे वयं
Rishi
ऋषीन्
Bhojanaya.
भोजनार्थम् आह्वयामहि
Ahvayamahi.
So wouldn't Ahvayamahi mean to just call as opposed to invite? You see what I'm saying? Or is it wrong? I mean, can it be used?
interchangeably both can be used
I mean, it is not rude.
but nimantranam looks more like a amantrana nimantrana there is a
Yeah,
much change
looks like
nimantranam is sounds good
so
When-
it can be used interchangeably.
huh?
It can be used interchangeably without sounding impolite.
Nowadays the auhanam the avhayati dhatu is more popular than nimantrana
Okay.
okay. So when did the messengers return from Ayodhya?
Okay. Ayodhyat.
अयोध्या कैसे होगा
From Ayodhya. Ayodhyat.
अयोध्या पुल्लिंग शब्द बरोबर
Oh, it is not pulling, it's a female gender. Ayodhyayaha. Dutan. Kada. Dutan, messengers. Dutan.
why dvitiya they are subjects
Oh.
and they are
Dutaha.
tutaha
Kada. Agachati.
रिटर्न के लिए क्या होता है
Agacha is the return.
निवर्तते is to return
Nivartate. Anivart.
यदा तद तत्र उपसर्गः पूर्वकं क्रियापदं भवति तदा यदा पास्ट टेन् कर्मणि भूतकालः क्रियते तदा निष्कासितव्यम् उपसर्गः निष्कासनीयः पूर्वं तत्र क्रियापदस्य लङ्लकारः कर्तव्यः अनन्तरं नि अथवा उपसर्गेण सह तत्र सन्धि इत्यादि कार्यं कृत्वा रूपं साधनीयम् तो अत्र when did messengers return from so निवर्तते वर्तते का पास्ट टेंस क्या बनेगा अवर्तत नाउ नि प्लस अवर्तत वुड बी न्यवर्तत तो उसका बहुवचन यदि करेंगे दूताः कदा अयोध्यायाः न्यवर्तत न्यवर्तन्त ऐसा बनेगा न्यवर्तन्त we did not expect favor from Hari.
Harehe, favor is prasada or kripa, right? Harehe, prasadam na apekshamahi.
Harehe favor na prasadam okay Harehe prasadam na apeksha vahi mahi sorry we got books at school
What? At school. Vidyalayam.
विद्यालयात sorry विद्यालये
Vidyalaye. Vayam. पुस्तकानि
Okay, same link we will use for the discussion, further discussion. The meeting will end within 2 seconds. So we will decide the time, etc. The sentence is विद्यालये वयं पुस्तकानि लभते धातु we can use to अलभामहि.
अलभामहि.
अलभामहि.